lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, I'm Rebecca, and here I make motherhood and lifestyle videos. Thanks so much for clicking on this video and watching. I am so excited to show you guys how I decorated my house for Christmas. Now, I got a lot of items from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, and then some things from Hobby Lobby. So I will show you how I decorated, where I got certain items from, and hopefully this will give you guys some decor inspiration this year. I love you all, and I hope you guys have so much fun decorating this year. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I did was put away some of the fall decorations, and Ellie helped out a little bit with this.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of.
Now I'm just getting the living room situated a little bit. I'm switching out the yellow pillowcases for some red ones. I got these off of Amazon. They seemed a little bit festive, so I thought I would use them for Christmas. So I'm just gonna organize the living room a little bit, and then I will put up the Christmas tree.
Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how?
And now the fun part, setting up the tree and decorating it. This tree is from Hobby Lobby. I got it some years ago, and it is just so easy to put up. And it's already flocked a little bit and has some berries and pine cones on it. It's really pretty.
Making our Christmas memories.
I ended up getting really hot in that sweater. I was super cold at first, and then I got hot after all of this work, so I changed. It was so fun to see how excited Eliana was to put the Christmas tree up and see all the lights and everything. She was just too cute. I'm just trying to fluff the branches here, and then I'll start decorating.
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again.
Now all of these pics are from Hobby Lobby, and I will put these in the tree to make the tree look fuller and just have more texture, and it turned out really beautiful. Now I realize the quality of this video, or the lighting of this video, is not the best, and I apologize for that, but I will be showing a different angle, and I'll show the tree up closer.
It's supposed to be making our Christmas memories.
The wonders of life got the
Ellie's over here organizing all the Christmas decorations. But you know what? She can play with these because these are shatterproof. And some soft decorations that, you know, they won't break if you drop them. And yeah, I love that these are shatterproof. I got all these Christmas tree decorations. Oh, and ribbon. And that ribbon's from the dollar store, but all the other Christmas decorations are from Hobby Lobby.
There is no way trying. You better loosen your belt.
Now now I'm just using some sparkly mesh ribbon that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just wrapping that around the tree. I just had to get 2 rolls of this ribbon, so $2, that's not bad at all.
And some kind of love, my friend, I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
And these snowflakes are from the Dollar Tree and just made the tree look really pretty. And this angel for the top is from Hobby Lobby, and I got that some years ago as well. I love how the tree turned out. It has all kinds of different textures and pops of red and white. I just love it. This tree skirt is also from Hobby Lobby that I got some years ago as well. And I have a little trick that I learned. If you take some wrapping paper and just kind of stuff it under your tree skirt, it makes your tree skirt look fuller and not so flat. And it just kind of helps hide the little trunk of your tree.
It is that time of the year.
I deliberately picked out tree decorations that Eliana could play with and that would not break. She even took one of the red bulbs and threw it across the floor, and it just bounced all the way across the floor. So these things do not break. And she loves to play with the little snowman heads.
And hang a wreath on your door.
Now I'm just vacuuming off the mantle, and then I will start to decorate the mantle as well. I wish we had a working fireplace, but this little TV fireplace will have to do for now. It had some Christmas music along with it, and so it was pretty cozy. Also, on this day that I decorated, it snowed, so it was just perfect. Now I am decorating our little eating nook, and I'm starting out by putting some really beautiful Christmas flowers on the wall. Now all of these florals I got from Dollar Tree, and they are absolutely gorgeous. In order to get these flowers into the place that I want, I decided to take some towels and put them in the containers, and that really helped me get the flowers where I wanted them to be. Otherwise they would just sink down because that's a pretty long container. Now this candy cane pick is from Hobby Lobby, and I thought it was such a cute touch to this little floral bouquet. I love how this turned out. My theme was kind of red and white, and this just looks so gorgeous on the wall. Now I think all of these right here are from Walmart. They had a lot of cute ornaments. And these items are from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use all of these to decorate the little shelves in our eating nook. And this picture is actually a cross stitch that my grandmother did, and I think it is so cute. If you have not done so, you need to watch my previous video, and in that video I decorated this garland. So I show how I did that in that video, but this video I won't show how I did that. So definitely go check that out after you watch this video. And while we're in the kitchen, I'm just gonna wipe down my oven and then put some cute Christmas towels up. And that picture I got from Hobby Lobby, and I thought that would look great above the oven.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe.
Again, in the previous video that I did, my Dollar Tree DIYs, I made a garland for the entryway. So in that video, I show how I made it. And this video, I'm just showing how I decorated the shelf.
I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do,
I kept Ellie in mind as I went shopping for decorations, and as I decorated, I tried to get things that she would love and that she could play with. And she just loves all of these Christmas decorations and loves to play with that little gingerbread man. Here I'm just taking some extra florals from the Dollar Tree and just sticking them in this little plant here in the entryway. So instead of switching out and getting a completely different plant, I thought, well, I could just add some Christmassy things to it and make it Christmas.
whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight.
Now I'm just switching out the wreath. I love switching out wreaths each season, and this one is from Homegoods, I believe.
Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magic.
So in the bathroom, I was trying to decide what to do. At first, I put this tree in here, and then I ended up switching that out for a little tree that I got at HomeGoods that I thought looked a little bit better in our bathroom. But the first tree was a DIY I made, and that is in my previous video as well.
I will keep you warm.
Now I'm just cleaning the living room a little bit more. Some of the flocking and sparkles and things got on the table and carpet, so I'm going to be cleaning that stuff up and decorating a little bit more in here.
Will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream I knew.
I'm using an extra mason jar that I had, and then I stuck some extra florals from the Dollar Tree in there, and a bow from Dollar Tree, and then also a couple gift ornaments from Walmart. And then that snowflake on the bottom is from Dollar Tree as well. It's a little placemat, and I put that on the bottom, and it just all looked so beautiful together.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town.
Ellie had some toys out, so I was trying to get those cleaned up as well. And Nathan was so sweet and was putting Ellie to bed for me so I could finish cleaning and to finish this video. I was excited to get my house back in order.
This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family, and
This table was a pit from me doing a bunch of Christmas DIYs, so I'm cleaning that up, and then I will show you the lantern that I made, and check out my last DIY video so you can see how to make that lantern. That's in there as well.
let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored little lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
This DIY lantern is super easy to make and it is just beautiful.
Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day.
After giving the house a good vacuum, then I decided to tackle this counter. I feel like this counter just collects everything throughout our day. So I'm putting things in their places and cleaning this off, and then I will show you how we ended up decorating it.
As long as I spend this day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Woo-hoo.
I put a Christmas candle in one corner, and this tree is a wooden tree that my grandpa made, and it has little grooves in it that fit kisses perfectly, so it looks like a Christmas tree with ornaments, and the ornaments are chocolate kisses. Nathan was excited to help me decorate this with the chocolate kisses. Chocolate is one of his love languages, so we had fun decorating this together.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
Well, this concludes my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, it helps me a bunch if you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what other videos you would like to see next. And I hope you guys have a fun time decorating for Christmas this year, and hopefully I gave you some ideas. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a good start to the holiday season. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want